not there. I mean, not even close, but I think slowly I'm getting where I want to. It's been only 4 weeks, so not bad. Yeah, it's good. So this is Jeet's office area. I was getting ready here and I realized that I didn't do an intro for this vlog yet. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just took a shower and got ready, wore my comfy sweaters because it's sweater weather and this is my favorite time of the year. I mean, I'm kind of confused between summer and spring, but yeah, my vote goes to this sweater weather. So yeah, I just got ready and washed my hair yesterday and braided them. So this is some nice curl I have on my hair and I'm loving it. So it's about 7:10 now and Kabir usually gets up between 9 to 9:30. So it's a Saturday, Jeet is with him. I'm gonna go to Walmart and do our weekly grocery and then I will do a small quick grocery haul for you guys. So as you can tell, I'm back from Walmart and I just bought half of the grocery here and half of the groceries are still in the car. I just bought the ones who need to go to the refrigerator or freezer so that they don't go bad, but otherwise the temperature is so low that, you know, even if that's in the car, it's not gonna go bad. But yeah, so today I'm gonna make dal paratha for all of us, like not for me, like Jeet and Kabir. Last time I made it, it was like 3-4 weeks before and he really liked it. Like he had, I think, almost half a paratha. So we'll try. We'll see how it goes because last couple of days he's been like really picky about his food. And I'm actually like my way of parenting is gentle parenting, so I'm following that method. I'm not pressurizing him for anything like playing, you know, talking or for eating, because I know if he's hungry he will eat. I'm gonna feed him for sure. I won't keep him, you know, I don't let him starve, but there is a way of parenting that I'm actually following. You will see. So yeah, we'll see if he eats or not. So still sleeping. It's 9 o'clock, so I'll just let the dal cook and I'm gonna wake him. So here's some dal that I soaked yesterday night. It's chana dal and green moong dal. So I'm just gonna add a bit of turmeric and salt. So I'm just gonna let it cook and then I'm gonna make a dough out of it. So first I'm going to add a mixture of coriander and cumin powder, about this much, just a bit of garam masala, and now I'm going to add the dal. You can hear Kabir in the background. He's just not happy that I'm in the kitchen and he's not. So now I'm going to add the cooked dal. So whenever I make, you know, dal paratha, dal puri or any sort of thing, I usually use whatever leftover dal we have, but just because I'm making it for Kabir and Kabir will also eat it, so I'm making it fresh. But you can also use, you know, any sort of curry or anything you have and it really tastes good. So while the dough is resting, I'm gonna make myself my morning smoothie. Morning times I'm usually not very hungry, so I make a protein smoothie that's really good for you know, people who work out. Otherwise protein is really good. So I'm gonna make that, and I'm also adding a little bit of a green, you know, superfood to that. So I'm gonna show you what is that. And yeah, so this is gonna be my morning brunch, and then I will have my lunch about 12:30 or 1 o'clock. There is Kabir. He's playing with Jeet and they are making some blocks, I guess. And here is everything that I need for my smoothie. So the very first thing that I add to my blender is the greens, because if I will not add it in the base, it will not blend properly. So lots of greens. So these are all pre-washed, so I don't need to wash them. And before trying this, I was scared of, tasting the green, because, it's a weird feeling that how will green leaves taste in a smoothie? But trust me, you won't taste it. The next thing I'm gonna add is some mango chunks. We don't get fresh mango, so whatever is available. Some mango chunks. Some berries. Berries are actually a good source of antioxidants, so some strawberries. And the next thing is some peanut butter. About 1 tablespoon. And next I'm going to add some almond milk. This is unsweetened almond milk, and this is a good source of some required fat, so I'm going to add a little bit of that. Yeah, just about that. Then I'm going to add some flaxseed, some hemp seeds. Then I'm just gonna blend it before adding the protein powder and the superfood. So now I'm gonna add 1 scoop of this vegan protein powder and just a little bit of matcha. You want water? Sit down and drink. Can you sit down and drink? Daddy, will you please help Kabir? Kabir always ensures that he checks on Mama if I'm getting bored. No, I'm good, Kabir. No, we don't touch that, please. Thank you. I'm all good, Kabir. Thank you. You can resume to your play. Oh, already gone. Hey, no. We don't play with the tripod. Can you stand, please? Get up, Kabir. Oh, no. Which one do you want? This one? Big boy?
Okay, you also have some, Papa.
So the key is not to look at them, not to make it a big deal if they are eating or not, and if they don't eat, nothing. Not to force them to eat. When they'll be hungry, they'll eat. And sometimes I will make something new with all my excitement that my son will eat, but he won't eat. So that's okay. Sometimes he will eat the same thing. Kids and their choices, they're very clear about it. So the other day I made scrambled egg, and I think that was 8th or 9th time, and before that, whenever I made anything made up of egg, he never ever ate that. But yesterday was the day. He didn't had a lot of that, just maybe 1/4 of the egg, but at least he had that, so that's good. So here's the thing, he had couple of bites, like 2 or 3, but then he didn't had much, and he is starting to throw food on ground, which is not acceptable. So I'm gonna take him out of the high chair, and I'm gonna keep the food at a level where he can have it on his own if he is hungry, but I'm not gonna pressurize him. And I know if he's not eating, he's probably not hungry or he doesn't want to eat, so I'm not going to pressurize him. So the gift we were talking about is this. That's Kabir's new tent. So, update is Mr. Kabir is on a hunger strike. He doesn't want to eat. So all he wants to do is watch TV. But a part of gentle parenting is that I'm not gonna shout on him. I'm not gonna say no, you cannot watch TV or something like that. It's just that I'm not playing TV, and one way of making them understand or communicating with them is that I'm sorry, I understand you are upset, but we will watch TV in the evening and this is not the time to watch TV or something like that. So they understand, trust me, they do understand. They are way smarter than us. So he is taking a nap. Meanwhile it's 2:55. I'm gonna make Jeet some lunch. I had just had that, you know, half a smoothie I shared with Kabir, and I'm sure he's not hungry. I mean, toddlers, they cannot starve themselves. If he's hungry, he will eat. So yeah, so I'm gonna make some lunch for us. This is how my sarson ka saag looks. Add a lot of butter because Punjabi husband loves butter. So yeah, and he had a taste test and he said, I'm impressed. Those were his words. So I think I did a good job. I made it for the second time. First time I think I made it I think two and a half years back, and this is the second time. Thank you. So this is my lunch. I do not starve myself, it's just that I wasn't feeling hungry at all. So can you just tell how big this bowl is? And the salad is like full bowl, and it's not that I make boring salad or something like that. So the salad has all the green vegetables, spinach, kale, and chickpea, cucumber, tomato, and all other spices. And I've also added a little bit of sun-dried tomato. I love that flavor, and yeah, it looks amazing. And I mean, you might not tell, but it really looks good, like the salad you get in stores. And it's filling and very healthy because chickpea, green vegetable, I mean green leafy vegetable, it's all good stuff. So I'm gonna finish the entire bowl hopefully, and this will keep me full till the night. What are you doing? Are you doing yoga? Are you doing yoga?
Or murga.
He's obsessed with that stacking here. Okay. And that's gonna be there. Yay! Of walking backwards, and if you guys are lucky, you're gonna see this in the vlog, else maybe some other day. You know what is gonna make me happy or energetic? I guess coffee. So when you need something really bad and you have a caring husband, That's the score. Hello? Hello? Oh, no, that's not something to do. So, I don't even remember when was the last time I opened the camera and vlogged. I think it was Saturday or Sunday, but then Kabir wasn't feeling well, so I didn't just. And then I realized I never ended the vlog, so here I am. Thank you so much for watching. Give this one a thumbs up if you really enjoyed the vlog, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'm gonna see you guys very soon in my next one, this time very soon. Bye guys.